work on this after your test. So once you finish your test, you'll turn it in and pick up the worksheet that's right next to the baskets here. So real quick before the test, we're going to go over this. Alright, so list the factors of each number, then find the GCF. So GCF stands for greatest common factor. What does it mean if something's greatest? The biggest, yep, the largest. So we're looking for the largest factor, the biggest factor. And what does it mean to be common? If Trey and I have something in common, what does that mean? Yeah, we both have the same thing, right? So what size book do you have? Alright, we both have favorite color in common. We both have favorite color green. So we're looking for the greatest common factor, meaning we're trying to find the factor that is the biggest that both terms have. Alright, so first it says list the factors of each number. What is a factor? Who remembers what a factor is? What does a factor mean? Anybody know what a factor is? Anybody remember anything from last year? Factors are two things we multiply together to get something else. So factors of 9. I want to know numbers we multiply together to get 9. Let's start off with 1. 1 times what gives you 9?
9.
Good. Alright, can we multiply 2 times anything to get 9?
No.
How about 3?
Yes.
3 times what?
3.
Good. We don't have to write it twice. Alright, so our factors are 1, 3, and 9. 1 times 9 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Let's do the same thing for 36. Start off with 1. 1 times what gives you 36? How about 2? 2 times what?
18.
Good, 18.
Again, those Adidas.
How about 3? 3 times what?
Again, those Adidas. Chili cheese. It's smooth.
12?
Yes.
Can we multiply 4 by anything?
Awesome.
4 times what gives you 36? Good, 9. What about 5? 5 times anything? Nope. How about 6?
6 after 6 is 6.
Good. So we found all of our factors. So the factors of 9 is 1, 3, 9. Factors of 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Okay? So what are the ones that we have in common?
9.
9. What else?
3. 1.
Good. 3 and 1. But which of these is the GCF, the greatest common factor? Good. So they both have greatest common factor of 9. So my GCF is 9. Alright. Questions on that? Okay, same thing. Hey, Sean.
Yes, ma'am.
Starting off with 28. I'm going to have you help me out with the factors. So 1 times 28 gives you 28. What about 2? Can we multiply 2 times something to get 28?
14. So, you said, no, 14.
2 times what gives you 28?
14.
Alright, what about 3? Does 3 give us anything?
No.
No. 4?
Nothing. Yes. Oh, yeah,
7. Good. How about 5? 6? No. Alright, so we have our factors. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. Alright, how about 42? Ooh. Obviously 1 and 42. What about 2? 2 and what? 21. Okay. What about 3? Let's try it out. 42 divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 one time. How many times is 3 going to 12? Good. So actually 3 times 14. You can use your calculator to help you out with these. Alright, what about 4? Does 4 work? 4 does not work. What about 5? Nope. 6? 6 and what? Good. So we found our middle point. So our factors for 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. And our factors
14.
for 42, it's 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 15, 21, 42. So what is our greatest common factor? 42. 14. Good. The largest one they both have in common is 14. So my GCF. Okay, questions on that one? Okay, and our last one before the test, to help you out with your homework, is 3x squared and 6x cubed. So now we have variables we have to take into consideration. So we have 3x squared. Let's break this down. First, let's do the number. What can we break 3 down into? What are my factors of 3? 1 and 3. Is there anything else? Is there anything else I can multiply it into? Yes? What else?
-1.
That is true. We could do -1 and -3. Right now, we're just going to do the positives. You're correct, though. We could do -3. Alright, so there aren't any other integers we can multiply to get 3. So let's do our 6. What are my factors of 6?
1.
Gotcha.
1 and 6.
She was like,
Good. 1 and 6, 2 and 3. So what's my GCF between my numbers? Okay. Now we need to take a look at my variables. What do they both have in common? X, right? They both have X, but we need to figure out how many X's. So you can think of it this way. X squared is X times X. X cubed is X times X times X. And they each have at least 2 X's, right? So X squared. So my GCF here is going to be my GCF of the numbers, 3, and my GCF of the variables, which is X squared. Okay? Also, you can look to see whatever is the smallest exponent of your variables, that's going to be your GCF of the variables. Alright. So our GCF is 3x squared. Any questions on that? Nope. Okay, so your homework is going to be over that, dealing with the factors and finding your GCF. Okay? So again, once you're done with your test, you will turn it in, and you will pick up your homework, worksheet 1, and you will complete these guys. This will get you ready for next class as well. Okay. That is homework.